Hello everyone, in this video, I will be showing you how to exit WhatsApp group chat without members knowing. So this is a very easy and quick tutorial. First, you just have to launch your WhatsApp application. And then as you can see here, if you have your group chat and you really want to exit from this group chat because of some reasons and you don't want these members to know that you have exited from this group chat. As you can see here, if you tap this three dots and then tap this exit group, okay? So probably if you tap this and click exit, the members here on your group chat will probably know that you have left the group or you exited from the group, okay? Unless the admin, so the admin will be notified. Okay, so in order for you to simply get out from this group chat, first thing to do here is to go to your phone device, go to app management if you're using Android, and then look for app list. Now here, what you want to do is to click or search for WhatsApp application. You can scroll down here to find the WhatsApp application, or you can go to the search bar and then type WhatsApp. Here you have to scroll down again and look for manage notifications. And then here you have to simply go to group notifications and make sure to turn this one off. Okay, turn this one off, and then once you're done, then you can now exit your phone settings and go back to your WhatsApp. Let me remind you that this method only applies if you are the admin of this group chat or you have created this group chat. Okay, so let's just say this is your group chat and then you want to exit without them knowing. I'm going to show you first my other member. I mean, this one is the account, my other account, and this account is also a member here. So let's see if this other account will probably know if I exit from this group chat. So tap this three dots, clear this chat first. Okay, click more and then tap clear chat. Once you're done, what you want to do is to click the name of your group. For example, this one, awesome here. And then after that, you have to scroll down and then click exit group. Okay, tap exit. Now, if you're just an ordinary member or if you're one of the members here, probably you will not be notified that this person or this admin exited from this group chat. But if just the two of you, then probably you will become now the admin and you will be notified that you are the admin, but you won't be notified that the other member has exited this group chat. Okay, so if there are numbers of members of this group chat, they won't be notified that you have left this group chat. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next tutorials.